Okay.
So how the hell are you gonna hang a piñata there?
Do you not trust me at all?
No.
Well, that's your problem. Trust me, I've done my research. If it's gonna be hanging right here, Dad. Look at this. Can you miss that?
Oh no, they know I can miss that, sir. Kind of you. Kind of comes like your mama.
I guess. So we get it right here. All you gotta do is make sure you don't go for the windows or pictures on the wall and stuff.
How in the hell?
You gotta question everything.
It ain't goddamn right!
Okay, we can't do it outside because you don't have any freaking low-hanging branches.
Let's just do it, come on.
Well, hold on, I'll hang it just a
Well,
second.
there.
You got the twine so we can hang it up from there, Bridget?
Yeah.
Alright. I wish you can't see because you'll cheat.
Dang, we got.
Well, do it yourself then! You put it on your face and I'll cover your eyes. That's good.
No, we're gonna do it, let's do it right.
Alright. Extra protection, Mr. Batman. Don't swing yet! For God's sake, don't swing yet! Hold on, I'm still hanging it. You better stop this! Alright, I'm hanging it.
I don't know where you're hanging it, so go ahead. I got you.
Okay.
Hey, I'm getting dizzy!
Already in 2 spins!
Where the fuck is Robin? Well, I can't go no more.
One more. Let me get out of the way. Okay. Go. Not yet. Too low. Higher. Oh. Higher. Higher. Dad! 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 Cut it out! Dad! You did it! Okay!
What?
Oh my god!
Did I get it? Where's Candy?
Did you not hear the glass?
Where's Candy? Where's Candy?
Dad! Oh shit! Oh Jesus Christ! I'm sorry!
You better make my way, not my life!
No!
Dad! Oh my God! What is wrong with you? Don't you do that? Ah! Dad, you're okay. I'm sorry.
Ah!
You should have never trusted me to do a freaking piñata in this room anyway.
Where did I got anything out?
Down there. No. Ah! Stop. Ah! I'm sorry. You've been pranking me so much that I wanted to freaking get you for what? Ah! Jesus Christ!
Okay.
Bridget, get him off me!
Ah, you're Get out!
Help, Bridget! Dude, I'm not coming back. I won't come back if you do this!
Get off of Michael!
That's fine. That's real fine with me.
Just go.
Goodbye. Break my...
I'll be back.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will be back.
I'll get a restraining order.